Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a SpinetiX Hypermedia Player HMP, anything in the HMP series, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this device not connecting to Wi-Fi or not responding or otherwise not working, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason you're going to want to do this is if you're just trying to set this up as a new device and you just want to get everything wiped off of it, we can go ahead and do this really simply. So all you need to do is go ahead and unplug your device from power. And then once you do that, you're going to press and hold the blue button on the player, which is the power button. And while holding that blue button, you're going to plug the device back in. Now, once you're doing that, you're just going to keep holding that blue button for 10 to 15 seconds until the SYS light, the SYS light of the player starts blinking rapidly green. Once that happens, you can release the blue button and just wait a little bit, and the device will eventually reboot. And when it reboots, it should blink green but more slowly, and you should basically be back at the startup, and you can set it up as a new device.